Oh, Jackson 5. Skipping.
Did you read Santa Claus my list?
Other girls still waiting to kiss.
Mine, that list was only a joke.
Too late, Jermaine.
Oh, here comes Evelyn. She's been doorbell ditching. Look at her go. Oh yeah, she knows. She's
What's that?
That was it. That's it.
go, go, go.
Yeah. What do you mean?